Alright guys, finally just getting in. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
My son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? Sorry about yesterday's video, but today we are dropping a brand new video. If you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below as we continue to drop content around here every single day. If not every single day, every other day. Also, if you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Alright guys, before we jump into today's video, once again, today's video is sponsored by J&M Sneakers. These guys take care of this channel. Give me the shoes so I can bring the content to you. So please, the least we could do is do me a favor. Go down in the description, check them out. Their links to their Instagram will be in the description down below. So please do me a favor, check them out. Go give them a follow. If you need anything, make sure you let them know that your man, the son of some man, has sent you. But alright guys, without further ado, let's get into today's review. Alright guys, here we have it, the Air Jordan 4 Oil Green. Guys, for the box, nothing special, standard Jordan, Jordan 4 box. As for the colorway, we're gonna have a white, oil green, dark ash. There is no seafoam colorway in this shoe. Everybody's been calling it seafoam. Now I got a 9.5, which is an 8 in men, so like I said, the on-foot review is not going to be happening with this shoe. But stay tuned for tomorrow because we have a bunch of shoes coming in. But anyway, let's get into the review. These are not seafoams. Alright guys, now Air Jordan 4s off. They seem to have a lot of hype around them. The Craft Air Jordan 4s just dropped. We got a bunch of Air Jordan 4s actually dropping this year too, so super excited about that. Also tomorrow, stay tuned, we got another video dropping with another pair of Air Jordan 4s. We got some Air Jordan 5s coming in. We got a lot of work to do in February, so I hope you guys are subscribed to the channel. If you're not, hit that subscribe button down below right now. Alright guys, as we always do, we're going to start off with the outsole of the sneaker. Alright, as you can see, we have a standard Jordan 4 outsole. As you notice right away, this is not an OG. The color blockings are the same as any other Air Jordan 4, except for where it would be black. Now it has that oil green. You got your little oil green Jumpman there. Get some hits of gray, white, contrast with the oil green. Moving up, now we know that midsole, it actually, the outsole actually leaks up onto the midsole, so you got that oil green there with your hits of black. Now the brush strokes are really not the best. They're really not, man. It's really not up to par. I wish it was, a little bit better, the paint job, but we got some white, we got some black, we got some oil green as that makes up the, the colors on the midsole. Moving up towards the toe box, as you can see, the leather is not premium. The leather is not that bad. I would give it a 65 out of 100. Moving up, you got the standard cage as your tongue on the Jordan 4. Now this shoe does not come with any shoelace replacements. We only have the flat white shoelaces that come with the shoe stock. Moving up, you got the flight on the Jordan tongue with your Jumpman, logo. Now as for the back of the tongue, you got the Jordan written up, the Air Jordan written upside down. But now the tongue is very soft to the touch, very plush. As for the guts of the shoe as well, draped in oil green, standard Jordan 4, guts. But like I said, the green material inside is really nice. As for the insole, we have an all oil green insole with a black Jumpman on the heel. Alright guys, taking a look at the inside of the sneaker. Like I've said it before, I'll say it again. What's going on with the outside is basically what's going on the inside of the shoe. Now, for the back heel of the sneaker, as you can see, we don't got no Nike Air. We have your oil green Jumpman with your black heel tab. Not bad. This shoe is not bad at all. Now guys, I'm not going to be able to do an on foot for you guys because Now we know that this is limited to a 10.5 in men's. This was an exclusive women's release. But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section your thoughts, your opinions. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in, day out. Also, guys, I dropped the Cool Gray 6 review. If you haven't checked out that video, click the link at the top of the screen. Check out that video. Make sure you subscribe. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.